Hello everyone, this is Bhavita. Welcome back to my channel Become Excellent in English. So today in this video I'm going to talk about speak English fluently and confidently in just 15 days, as well as how to speak English fluently and confidently within 15 days, and how it is possible within 15 days. If you really want to know about it, so don't skip this video. You watch this video till the end. So without further delay, let's begin the video. Guys, my today's topic is speak English fluently and confidently in just 15 days. You listen right. It is my today's topic. And on this topic, I will explain very well. No any hesitation, no tension, no stress, no shame, no any extra thing. So let's start. Guys, how it is possible to speak English fluently and confidently in just 15 days? It is possible. How it is possible? It is absolutely 100% possible. But first of all, you will have to keep patience and you will have to believe in yourself. First of all, guys, let me one thing. I want to a question. Let me one thing. Do you have families members? If yes, guys, so you don't worry. I think you are very fortunate person to speak English fluently and confidently, to learn English fluently and confidently in just 15 days. It's too much best. Now I'm going to talk about only one way. This way is very effective. Very effective means you can say most effective. I think apart from this way, there is no any other way to speak English, to practice English confidently, fluently, to speak English in front of someone, in front of families member, in front of siblings, parents, in front of person, in front of anything. Yes. My first question is, first of all, if you have a family's member, it's too much good. You do one work. Which is one work? You go and ask to your family's members, do you all agree with me to listen my point? Like audience, do you want to become my audience? Because I want to deliver my speech in front of you, because I want to become fluent English speaker or whatever, teacher, whatever. So your family's member definitely will reply yes or no. If your family member will reply yes, we are agree to listen your point, your speech, so you don't worry, because your family is very supportive family. So you go and deliver your speech in front of your family's members, but you are not audience, you are the speaker of the audience. First of all, your family's members are ready to listen your speech, your point. First of all, you go and you greet to your family's members. What will you say? You go and stand. You say, good evening everybody. I want to quit this point for a few minutes. But first of all, I want to know, I want to tell you about one thing. That is, your family's members are ready to listen your speech, to understand your point. It's too much good. But you suppose I am a speaker of my family's member or of my audience. Now at this time I am in the meeting and my audience is here to listen my speech, and then you go. You suppose I have to go and deliver my speech in front of my audience. Whether your family's member maybe or any person maybe. So you greet Good evening, everybody. So everybody will, I think everybody will say definitely good evening. If your family's members are not saying good evening, it's okay, you start. Evening time is the very beautiful or nice time to deliver your speech very well in front of your family's member or in front of your audience, because I think evening time is very peaceful time for me. I know very well about it because I did so. And you greet. Good evening, everybody. Today I'm here to deliver my speech in front of you. My speech is going to relate my future planning. What will I want to become in future? I'm going to talk about on it. This is my best point. But first of all, I want to introduce about myself. What is my name? Who I am? So, and you start. You speak English continue while standing, not while sitting, because you are the speaker of the audience. You are the head of the audience, because everybody wants to listen your speech. You explain, you deliver your speech about yourself. Hi everybody, my name is Babita. You can take your name. Hi everybody, my name is Babita. I am from Uttar Pradesh. I have studied. What you have studied, I don't know. I have studied in class. I have completed. I'm now what I'm doing. I'm pursuing. Means you can explain about your study, about your introduction, about your qualification, about your routine, about your hobbies, about your weak point, about your strong point, about your punctuality, about your good thing. It's okay. And then you start. You speak continue. Now I'm going to talk about my future plan. My future plan is to become a good English teacher, a good English speaker, whatever. And I'm a competitive person. I'm a competitive girl. I'm a competitive boy. So it's evening time. It's a very good time for me. I like so much this time to deliver my speech, because my mind at this time my mind is very peaceful, and I feel good at this time. And I hope you understood about me, what did I told you. And that's it. You don't stop while speaking English. You speak English continue without thinking I'm making mistakes, I'm right or wrong. No, only you have to deliver your speech continue in front of your audience, your family's members, your friends. It's okay. Okay, got it? And why I am telling about this? Because I have lots of experiences about it, because I did these things. So now I'm going to talk about myself. What did I do? When I was learning English, I used to explain about myself. I used to deliver my speech in front of my family's member. I had my parents. Yes, you listen right. I used to tell to my parents, Papa, Amma, I want to tell one question. You will reply me. My parents told me, yes, definitely. I asked, Mama, Papa, I want to become fluent English teacher, fluent English speaker. So, I want to make you understand my point. I know you will not understand my point very well, but something you will understand my point well. So my parents told me, yes, we are agree to listen your speech. So you can deliver your speech anytime, because my family is very supportive family. They helped me a lot for this thing. So I did. From that day, I used to start to speak English in front of my parents. Where I started to speak English fluently in front of my parents, you know guys, I used to go front yard of my home and I used to start to speak English. Good evening my parents, because I used to speak English in the evening time, because I like evening time. That's why I'm telling to you and I'm saying to you, as well as I'm explaining about it. So I used to start to speak English. Good evening my parents. So my parents used to tell me good evening. So I used to tell, my name is Babita, I'm from Uttar Pradesh, I'm pursuing, I'm studying, what is my future plan, I want to become this, I want to become that, what is my hobbies, what did I do, I used to this, I used to that, I used to, I have to do, and I want to do, I will have to go, I will have to do. I used to deliver a lots of things related to my daily routine, related to my future plan, related to my competition work, related to my study work. But yes, I used to deliver my speech in front of my parents. But my parents wanted that my daughter become a good English teacher, become a good English speaker. That's why they supported me a lot to speak English fluently. I did a lots of work to speak English fluently. I can speak English fluently, but first of all, we should believe in ourselves. But you know, I used to suppose and I used to imagine to myself, I am in front of my audience. My parents were my audience. They used to listen and understand my point, what I was saying. And whatever I told, my parents used to listen my point. As well as my parents used to tell me, you speak English, continue, you speak English fluently, you don't stop, and you speak English loudly and loudly, then you will become good English speaker or teacher or English trainer. I did a lots of things. Like my second thing is, I used to deliver my speech in my room, in front of my wall. Nobody was there in my room, but I used to speak English. Good evening everybody, today I'm here to explain, to deliver my speech. My name is Babita, I'm from Uttar Pradesh. I have studied graduation, post-graduation, and as well as I'm pursuing B.Ed. So that's why I want to become English teacher. It's my dream. I want to complete my dream. Definitely I will become a good English speaker, teacher, whatever I want in my life. I used to deliver my speech to myself. I used to play my role with 2 times. One time I used to play as a teacher, means as a speaker, and second time I used to play my role as a audience. You don't stop to deliver your speech in front of any person, in front of audience, in front of family's member, in front of anybody, but you speak continue, you don't stop. If you will speak continue without stopping, without thinking I'm making mistakes, I'm right or wrong, no, you speak. And when you speak English, you start to move your hand. Good evening everybody, I'm here to explain, to deliver my speech in front of you. I'm well, how are you? Today's topic is very interesting for you, so you listen me carefully. You don't feel bad, you don't laugh at me. You can laugh at me, it's your choice. But today I'm very excited because I got opportunity to deliver my speech in front of you guys. You can explain about it. You can explain it. First of all, you can say hi everybody. Today first of all I want to say thank you because you gave me opportunity to deliver my speech in front of you. It's the evening time, it's very nice time, and I liked its time so much. Apart from this effective way, there is no any effective way to become fluent in English, to become fluent English teacher, fluent English speaker. No, I think there is no. This is the very simple way, technique, style, very simple, very simple. You don't think who is senior to me and who is junior to me in the meeting while deliver your speech. No, you always think whether you are in the meeting or you are in the family's member. I am greatest than all. I can do anything. If you will speak English fluently and confidently from 1 day to 15 days regular, so definitely guys you will become fluent in English really. Then you will comment me what did I told you and what did you get from me. You don't forget to comment me what did you learn from me, because this is the very effective way, powerful way. Apart from this, there is no any effective way and powerful way. So you do, and you speak English from now. And in the evening time, you don't deliver your speech in the morning time, in the afternoon time, in the afternoon, in the good noon time. No, you deliver your speech in the evening time because it's very nice time. I used lots of things to speak, to become fluent English teacher, to become English speaker. That's why I'm telling my story, and you should do like me, whatever I told you and whatever I did. First you do and then you comment me how is my way. I hope you understood whatever I told you, and you don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video, and you don't forget comment me. So thank you so much for watching my video.